Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. As you can probably tell, this will be the last time I ride this particular bike for about 5 months. Just returning home, as you can see, from the hospital after receiving my COVID shots. I'm now fully vaccinated. Tried to start the bike 2.5 days later and it refused to start. So I sent it off to Yamaha. They took about a couple of days to figure out what was going on. Then they had to order a part from Japan, which then took a further 2 months. In the meantime, I've been riding the Super Tenere, but then something else happened. I fell over and I broke my arm. So needless to say, I wasn't riding or driving anything for quite some time. I had to have surgery. So I also visited Perth Airport. As you can see, it's a shell of what it normally is. It only has a few aircraft.
Yeah, hopefully I've just got this guy's little
just helping a guy out who
backpack.
child lost her backpack, must have fallen off the car, he couldn't find it anywhere. Someone else said they saw it down the road. So I jumped in the bike and just went down and picked it up for him. He returned a little toddler's backpack.
Is that it? No worries. It was open and there's clothes all over the ground as well. Whether a car's hit it or I don't know. No worries. Cool. Alright, very good.
So this is just when the Tracer broke down. It's getting hauled off. So I was a bit of a hassle there for my son, so just to say thank you, I took him off to Rottnest Island, which is just an island off the coastline of Perth. It's about 20 kilometres. Very famous for little wallabies on there called quokkas. Quokkas are a very small version of a wallaby, a marsupial rat wallaby. Pass into a random breath test here. And I've just included that in the footage, and then finally, after what seemed forever, finish it off with me getting back on the bike. Well, hopefully I have some more content out soon, and thanks for watching. If you like, please subscribe, and I'll talk to you later. Ciao.